own the Guild House here in Bellflower. We specialize in board games, essentially. Board games is just another umbrella term. If it fits in a box, it's a board game. We have games that are new releases every day. We like to find the in-betweens, the ones you don't find at Target, Walmart, but the ones you won't find on Kickstarter.
We have lots of games that are open and available to play as like demos, so people can come in and try out different games that we have. We also have some older titles that you can't find anymore as a couple demo copies. It's kind of like a interactive museum of sorts.
Board games.
I personally tend to focus on like building and painting miniatures, like this is what we have here. They vary from like fantasy stuff like Lord of the Rings, there's sci-fi.
We have 3 shop cats. Folks come in, you know, there's all these stresses. A lot of folks come in here just to de-stress, and cats add that de-stressing element to the store. If there's a particular event, or if somebody wants to participate in an event that's allergic to cats, we do have the ability to kind of put them sequester them in an area for a while they're here. So 2020, I am really excited. I've been putting together some birthday packages that we can offer here at our store. We'll just do 2 to 3 hour birthday celebrations packages that folks can order.
Along the lines of like hiring a magician or a clown kind of thing.
Yeah, but instead you'd be hiring the Guild House to host and entertain the kids. And when it was time to relocate, we found this gem on the boulevard that was affordable, and we were just like, man, Bellflower is a really beautiful city that we can have a game store in. I mean, we already have some of the nerdy people, we already have some of the hobbyists. Finally opening our doors here, it felt like we were home. It's been great having just a front in the busiest area of Bellflower.